Hi everyone, today I will show you OBS Studio best recording settings and with the high quality audio and video and the quality is 1080 pixels. Means what are the videos you need to upload into the YouTube or any another purpose will be used. The high quality video how we need to record. Okay, this is the OBS Studio. I'm already open. The OBS 27.1.364 bit Windows. Okay, first of all you need to go to the settings. Yeah, this is the settings in first general tab. In general, you no need to do a language. Everyone will use by default English, and theme you need to select dark. It's the black screen. You need anything change, you can go to the system format. As a Windows system will become same way will become, and remaining based on your interested you need to go. But most of the people will use by default will come dark. Another people will selected system. Okay, this formats only will selected, but I selected dark only. And you need to check the this tick mark automatically check for the update startup. Okay, remaining settings you by default you need to leave it. It's not required. This one streaming also it's not required, only output format. In output you can go to the stream now. Output mode you need to select the advanced. The method mode is advanced. Okay, after remaining you can leave it same and go to the recording. In recording, the type you need to select the standard, and the recording path you need to select the which location you required. I selected the E folder. Okay, directly will save to the that file. After recording format I selected to the MP4. Okay, MP4 I selected, and audio track first one you need to tick mark. Encoding is into 264. That is the encoding format 264. Rescale output 1366 into 768. That one I selected. The format will select an MP4. That reason in my OBS Studio will showing to the some warning message. Okay, but your side most of the time it is not showing. And rate control CRF is 10, and key frames interval 2. CPU usage preset very fast, and don't select for the higher level. CPU is some little bit danger. Okay, you can select very fast, it's enough. Profile is main true none. Into 264 options you can type the OpenCL is equal to true. Okay, this side this is only options. After go to the audio you need to check the track 1 audio bitrate 320. This is the higher level in audio point of view. Remaining same only you need to leave it. After reply buffer there is nothing else. Go to the audio section. Audio general in sample rate 48 kHz, and channels is stereo. And desktop audio default, desktop audio to disabled. Mic auxiliary audio, microphones Realtek high definition audio. Mic auxiliary audio 2 disabled. Mic auxiliary audio 3 disabled. Mic auxiliary audio 4 disabled. And decay rate fast. Peak meter type sample peak. Monitoring devices default, and you need to check this tick mark. Disable Windows audio ducking, and the remaining these hotkeys is not required. Go to the video, it's a very important. Base canvas resolution 1920 into 1080. Okay, after output scale resolution 1920 into 1080. Downscale filter Lanczos LANCZOS, and short band scaling 38 samples. Okay, that one you need to select. Most of the time this option is last one. My side everything is disabled, that reason I am not able to open that one. Okay, common fps value is 60. This settings only enough. After hotkeys, based on your interest you need to set up. My side it's not required, I am leaving. Go to the advanced. General, process priority is normal. Video rendered direct 3D11, color format NV12, color space 709. Remaining everything is same only, I'm not changing anything. After go to there is a this window only. In last, in right side bottom there is a button apply and OK. You can click on the apply and click on to the OK. The changes will be applied. Okay, this is the way you need to set up to the best recording settings in OBS Studio, and you need to record the high quality videos, audio and video. Okay, this video, this one only. Thank you.